All right, so I got a Brita premium filter water bottle, and basically you just gotta take this out, and then you gotta look under here, and you're gonna find a filter. You gotta pull that out, just like that. And so this is the thing right here. It supposedly reduces chlorine, and it lasts for 2 months, and then you gotta buy new ones. So this will make 300 water bottles. So that's good. So we won't be using water bottles. All right, so anyway, I found this inside. So here's how it works. You gotta clean the bottle, then you gotta rinse it for 15 minutes. Then you gotta insert the filter and retract straw by aligning straw into the lid and twisting it. And then basically that's it. I think you can get these online. So we have to rinse the filter. Okay, so here we are. This is your bottle. Very interesting. It's got a cap on it that pops off like that. It's a little button here to use. So that's how you open it. That's how you drink it. Now you gotta unscrew this. And then once you take this off, here's your bottle. You might wanna rinse that before you use it. And this one here, you turn. So look. And it pops out. Bam, done. So now we've got to put our filter in there. All right, there we go. There's our filter. That's the top of it. All right, so you have to rinse all this stuff. You're supposed to rinse this for 15 seconds. So what we're going to do is we're going to rinse it right here. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2014, 2015. Okay, that should be good. We're going to rinse this thing too. And we're going to rinse this. So that's all rinsed. Then we're going to put her back in. And then we got to, get these little notches and those notches there. So we just kind of set it in there. Got to get it in the hole. Turn it. Bam. That's ready. That thing's ready. Now this, I'm going to go ahead and rinse out and wash. Supposed to wash with soap and water. And we'll just fill her up. And then insert, twist, and now we're ready to go. We want to drink. Here we go. I think I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. All right, that's how you do it. All right, so now you don't have to buy bottled water. I'm just going to take this, put it right in there, and just let it get nice and cool.